Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey that combines cutting-edge technology, efficiency, and deliciousness? Look no further than the Prola 5.0 Quart Air Fryer, your ultimate kitchen companion that promises to elevate your cooking experience to new heights. From its sleek design to its powerful features, this air fryer is a game-changer that will leave you wondering how you ever lived without it. If you're interested in learning more about the Cosori Air Fryer Prola 5 Quart, please click on the link in the description below. Why settle for less? When it comes to cooking, why compromise? The Prola Air Fryer boasts a high maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to prepare meals up to a staggering 20% faster than a traditional oven. Say goodbye to long waiting times and hello to quick and efficient cooking that fits your busy lifestyle. And the best part, patented Airwhisper technology ensures noise levels stay under 55 dB, ensuring that your dinner table conversations remain uninterrupted. Healthy and crispy, all in one. Indulge in the crispy textures you love without the guilt. With the Prola's 360 degrees rapid heat circulation technology, you can relish the same crunchiness as traditional deep frying while slashing your oil consumption by up to 85%. Transform your favorite comfort foods into healthier alternatives that satisfy both your cravings and your well-being. Efficiency meets flavor. Say goodbye to waiting around for your meal to cook. With industry-leading temperatures that soar up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the Prola Air Fryer ensures that your dishes are prepared up to 20% faster than before. Enjoy a piping hot meal in minutes, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Unleash your inner chef with 9 easy-to-use cooking functions displayed on a sleek tempered glass screen. Cooking becomes an adventure. From preheating to personalized shake reminders, each function adds a layer of excitement to your culinary creations. The Prola turns meal prep into a fun and interactive experience for the whole family. Compact design, roomy capacity. Don't be fooled by its compact appearance. The Prola Air Fryer boasts a spacious 5-quart basket, accommodating enough food for 4 people. Its stylish design takes up minimal countertop space, making it a seamless addition to any kitchen. Easy cleanup, ultimate convenience. Say goodbye to the hassle of post-cooking cleanup. The Prola features a non-stick basket made without BPA and PFOA, ensuring that cleaning up after your culinary adventures is a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Inspiration at your fingertips, with a cookbook of 30 original recipes included and over 100 more on the VESync app. Your cooking journey is about to get exciting. From traditional favorites to innovative creations, you'll have access to a wealth of inspiration that will unleash your inner chef. The Prola 5.0 Quart Air Fryer is more than just a kitchen appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Say hello to quicker cooking times, healthier meals, and a newfound passion for culinary exploration. Don't settle for ordinary when you can experience the extraordinary with the Prola Air Fryer. Elevate your cooking game today and create meals that are as remarkable as you are. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.